What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Relentless Shine. Whole bunch of paint protection is going on this week, next week. It's been pretty crazy for us, but today the big boy is going to be the 2022 GT500. It's getting the wheels off, and as you can see, carbon fiber wheels. So we've got the full carbon package. They're not clean right now because we're going to take them off, clean them. You don't want to waste time cleaning them twice, right? So they're still dusty or whatever. It's getting full paint protection film. It's getting, or got tinted, and we're doing the full wheels off package. So the full carbon wheels, we're doing the big red calipers that this car has, and then it'll be ready to go. We've got some pieces on it as of now. We've got the fenders and the side on, but you're going to see the other side. You're gonna see the roof. We're definitely gonna be doing that big spoiler. It's too big and too beautiful, and you know, frankly, it's like $8,000. So it's getting covered as well. You'll get to see all that in-depth stuff. And we've also got this Porsche, which is the, God, what is it? The GM of Toyota here in San Antonio. They just picked that up, and then a good friend of ours is getting this Ram tinted. But that's what's going on today. Stick with us. We're gonna show you some good content, and we'll see you in a bit.